Hello everybody, my name is David, aka DlightSwitch, aka David Britani. Today I have a different kind of video for you guys. It's certainly something I've never done before. But for those of you who follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you'll know that I'm quite the avid Nissan Patrol fan. My first car was actually a Nissan Patrol. It was a 2003 Y60. After about 2 years of ownership, I sold my first Patrol, but a few years later I found myself looking for another one. This time I got the iconic Patrol Y60, or GQ as they call it in some parts of the world. From that moment on, my affection of the Y60 Patrol continued to grow and grow. It's just such a great car. It's rugged, it's dependable, it's so much fun to drive, it has a lot of character. I really think it's one of those vehicles that you have to own one, or at least ride in or drive one, to truly understand. So that was a quick summary of the history of my relationship with the Nissan Patrol Y60. But let's get into today's video. Now, it wouldn't be an unboxing video without a box, would it? Oh, thank you. Okay, so I've been excitedly waiting on this package for a couple of weeks now. It's finally here, so let's tear into it. I had everything set up for this video except I forgot a knife. Now that we have a knife, let's open the box. I also have my GoPro for this unboxing video so I can give you guys another angle inside the box. Let's get into it. Okay, gonna need to put the GoPro down. Boxes inside of boxes. Now, before I open this fully, I just want to say that I'm not a model car guy as such. I don't consider myself a collector. In fact, until now, I don't own any. But I think that a lot of us car enthusiasts, when we have a special bond with a specific vehicle, it's nice to have a small piece of memorabilia to celebrate one of your favorite cars. Bending this back. Another white box inside the box. Once again, I need to put the GoPro down. My sausage fingers don't fit in here. Here we go. Another box to go on the floor. We have the cool company logo on the box right here. This is not an advertisement. This is not a sponsored video. I paid full price for this. I just liked it so much that I decided I wanted to make a video on it. Got some information on the bottom of the box here. Nissan Motor Corporation, official licensed product. Well, that's good. I'd like to hear that. Seems like they have all their trademarks in order. The tag here tells you what it is. Let's take a look. Gently take this styrofoam out. Another box. I'll put that on the floor too, so I don't block the shot. Pieces of styrofoam everywhere. I have to cut this one. That's great how it comes in a foam block. That's very protective. Here it is. Wow. You can just see the back right there. Not quite sure how to pick it up. Wow, it's heavier than I was expecting. You guys ready? I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. Wow, that is cool. That is really impressive. I'm gonna move this box out of the way. I'll give you guys a closer look with the GoPro. Here it is, the Nissan. Complete with the headlight wipers on the front. We definitely did not have those in the Middle Eastern edition. It is incredibly detailed. These were some of my favorite wheels too, the 3-spoke wheels. I used to have some on my Patrol. complete with the stock tow hitch, and my absolute favourite spare tyre cover, with the Patrol logo on there. I'm not sure exactly what spec this is. It doesn't have the sunroof. It does have these lights, with the lights in the bumper too. This is more like the Australian spec, we used to call it. It has these lower pieces of trim too, along the bottom half of the vehicle. The side steps, for those people who need a step up getting in. Wow, I'm very impressed by this thing, guys. I haven't even taken a good look at the interior yet. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to show in this, if there's going to be any reflection. But wow, that interior is accurate too. The center console just like I remember. The seats and door cards just like I remember. Even the back passengers here. Probably something you won't be able to make out from the video, but the paintwork is absolutely fantastic. You can see the metallic of the blue. It's so accurate too. I remember this color. It's accurate down to even the little pins that hold the bumper together. Wow, that's cool. I haven't checked out the underside yet. Let's take a look. I've got the stock exhaust right there, the name badge telling you what it is, and the serial number, because this is a limited edition out of 1,500 pieces. Give you guys a full 360 from the main camera. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you like the Nissan? Are you more of a Land Cruiser guy? Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. And also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I have some good stuff planned later on this year, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching.